In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox Error 403. These programs are very simple to use and will be clearly described in the video. Subscribe to this channel for future solutions to all of your digital problems. Hey there! So I'm sitting here at my desktop and let's tackle that pesky Roblox error. So that's error code 403, and first things first, make sure you're not logged into Roblox. And if you've got the Roblox app, make sure you exit it properly. So to quickly check, head to your taskbar, right-click, and dive into Task Manager. Scroll down under Processes and ensure Roblox isn't hanging out there. If it is, click on Roblox and hit End Task. Now on to the admin privileges gig. If you're not the admin, buddy up with someone who is. Open the Run app by searching for Run, then type in %appdata% and hit Enter. You'll get a window. Click App Data, then Local, find that Roblox folder, and give it the boot. After this, check your VPN if you use one. Disable it because VPNs can mess with Roblox and trigger that 403 error. Pop into Settings, find Network and Internet, hit up VPN and turn it off if it's on. Alright, next move, the classic reinstall. Head to roblox.com, open an experience and let it reinstall the Roblox player. While that's doing its thing, sneak into your firewall settings, type firewall in the search, click firewall and network protection, hit up allow an app through the firewall, click change settings, scroll down to Roblox and check both private and public, and click OK. Now load up Roblox and you should be good to roll. If glitches persist, check the status of Roblox servers at status.roblox.com in your internet browser. If anything's down, keep checking until it says operational. So that's pretty much it. That's how to fix Roblox error 403. I hope that I got to help you out with this video, and please don't forget to give this video a like and leave us a comment down below if you have any suggestions for videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.